and create a collection or enumeration of these big stories. So that's when the links to SQL stuff comes into play, links to XML stuff comes into play that I was talking about before, which is an added control inside of Silverlight. So the way that I would do that, again, coming back into my class here, I've got some code which is called to display the stories, or to do that item thing. I'll just drag this in here for now, and then I'll talk through it. So the first thing I need to do is add a reference, and that reference I'm adding is the system.xml.link. It's not one that's by default inside of it, so you actually have to download it as an additional. And then I can actually then right-click on my X document and resolve this to using system.xml.link. Now, this is where I came into before when I was saying it's a good idea to learn link if you're not familiar with it. This is actually a standard link query which is working with the XML services response and walking through it and assigning it to a collection of big stories for me. Now, the first thing you notice is we've got this construct called bar inside of .NET 3.5. Now, in C#. Now, this is not like a JavaScript bar. What this actually means is that on first assignment, it will determine what type it is. And then from that point on, it will be that type, and intelligence will work, and everything will work as if it is the type that was first assigned. So if you assign it a string, you can't treat it like an integer like you can in JavaScript. You actually have to treat it like a string. And so what I'm doing here is great for link query when you actually build things dynamically. Because inside a link, sometimes you actually do your queries dynamically, and every time you run it through, it's returning something quite different to the time before. And down here, for story in XML.story, this is actually a link to SQL syntax. I'm saying where the story has a thumbnail, so where stories on element thumbnail is not XML. And I'm also